This is what I love about Jamaica. We've gone from paradise in OG to paradise in Porty, and we're done here, so we're going back to paradise in Kingston. This place is just paradise. Well, go on everybody. What are we doing today?
We're going rafting for Uncle Buzz's birthday.
So we'll drive Porty, like a 2.5 hour drive, 2 hour drive. Because of course we're following the speed limits, we're driving safe, we're being safe. I'm not driving today, thank God. Big up Jim. Watch out now. Ooh. This is what I love about Jamaica. We've gone from paradise in OG to paradise in Porty, and we're done here, so we're going back to paradise in Kingston. This place is just paradise. Sweet. But today is not an ocean day. Today is a river day. So you see me, we just wait for everybody to get ready, and then we'll jump on the Jota and we'll go straight up on the hill.
Gwan Squad.
What are you doing today?
We're going rafting today.
Gwan Squad. Yes, louder. Loud. Gwan Squad. Can you say it? Gwan Squad.
He needs some milk.
Look at that sexy little persimmon. What?
You're not very bright, are you?
Sit down and
I know.
No, stop doing that.
I go up at the blood clot river top and go take 2 little raft and come down and yam a lunch at Belinda, you know Belinda? Belinda there.
Wasn't that your first girlfriend?
What? No.
No, that's Bedelia.
Yeah, Belinda, the redneck.
Big up Bedelia.
So guys, we're going rafting on the Rio Grande, the grandest river ever to do it. Stay hydrated. I chose one of my favorite drinks today, the grape water.
Great food and food.
Gwan Squad. Today we're going rafting on the Rio Grande. This is a raft. This is a raft. So this is what the people would go on, and they just like, it's really cool. It's a talent how they build it.
And that is lessons by Max, Mad Max as we call him.
Big up squad.
Big up in a Glendon.
Don't know.
More life, one wife.
Yeah.
That is it. Oh, so cute. Wow.
My name is Randy.
Randy,
Yeah, man.
how long you do this now?
24 years.
24 years. Guys, this is the best rafting in Jamaica. Better than any other parish. I will not bash other parish, but this rafting experience is special. Love you.
Love you too.
Guys, we're getting married in just a few months. This is how the rafts them come back up. Yeah. It's a real workout.
You know, no protein.
Is this your first time rafting? Is it your first time to Jamaica?
First time to Jamaica,
Wow.
first time with everything.
Wow.
First time getting sunburned this badly.
Oh my god.
So I'm loving it all.
Yes. So rafting in Jamaica, I would say, is a very unique but wonderful experience. There's not many places, I don't think, that you could just be on fresh water, looking at the beautiful mountains, lush greenery around you. It's literally breathtaking. And to do it with someone you love, it's a wonderful experience. 6 hours of catching up and chatting, and may push him overboard if it gets.
Eat your food. Oh, the water is cold. So guys, there's these areas all throughout the river which are the rapids. It's nothing like whitewater rafting and those rapids, but it's always a little extra fun. Look at that! Cold. Come float down to Uncle James. Kick. Look at your Isla. Woo! Come here, Isla, come. Come, Isla. Come. Reach. Good girl. So what, Gwan Squad? You going again? Do you guys see Grandpa first trying to climb? Nice. I love the river, you see. This is my dream. Just being on the riverside, having a little piece of land, build a little house, try to catch some jungle.
We're going through Lover's Lane.
Are you with the lover?
Love of my life. Lover's Lane.
Tell him. So funny if you said that's not what it's called. What did I do? The food here is amazing. Okay.
Chicken fricassee.
Okay, the fricassee chicken and some curry going, yes? White rice. Oh yeah, man.
That's the good. Fried chicken, breadfruit.
Gotcha, okay.
And plantain and breadfruit?
Yeah, breadfruit. That's fried roast breadfruit, eh?
Ah,
Okay, perfect.
nice.
That's my favorite. And the cabbage salad them. You want to give them a number?
If you would like to arrange lunch at Belinda's, it's 876-389-8826.
This is, you can't do raft without the food. Yeah. It is the best thing ever, trust me now.
Where are we getting the chicken?
Well, it's over there. Roast breadfruit and plantain, please. No, it's over there. That's it. Thank you. You want more roast breadfruit? Don't tell me.
I'll have roast breadfruit, please.
Thank you. Make you some rice and peas, please. Some fricassee gravy, curry goat and some curry gravy, yeah. Can't go wrong with Miss Belinda's cooking, yeah man. Alright, if you can't handle spice, stay away from the curry. Or the fricassee.
I didn't get fricassee. I'll fry.
Guys, that's our real rice and peas, you see? Out of 10.
10. How did rafting start in Jamaica?
Okay. We started by, first it was like bringing the banana from all the way from the top.
Banana leaves?
Banana.
Banana
Transporting banana.
Oh.
Yes. Then we started by my great grandfather when he was going down with his banana, and then aeroplane get lost in the woods. Then he take him back to the ship, and then aeroplane said he want to go on the raft one day. So he go away and come back again, and then that's how he go rafting that day, but there wasn't any seat, so he said you have to invent a seat. So that's how the seat come in play.
Wow.
Yes, and then he come again, go rafting 7 days for the week, 7 different girls, twice on Sunday.
Oh.
Okay, so that's how they named that spot up there. So that was the name.
Wow, that's
Yeah, so when you go
interesting.
into that, you have to kiss and make a wish. Yeah?
And you've been doing this for 24 years?
Yeah, man.
Wow.
Yeah, my born and grew up around here, you know. So.
Amazing.
How old you been now?
49.
Oh, wow. You look very young. The rafting keeps you fit.
Yeah, man,
It's like a workout.
Always, like a gym, you know?
Yeah. And when you pull them back up the river, it looks very hard.
Normally, I used to do it before I get license. I used to do it for like 2 years, pulling the raft back
Yeah.
up. Yeah, then we get license. That's how you learn.
Oh, so you don't have to pull it back up anymore?
No, we really pay somebody to do that.
Okay, good.
You need a license to take people down.
Yeah, we have a license. All of us, all captains have a license.
Okay.
Just like when you got your driver's license,
Yeah.
and the same thing. We have to be able to put ID, just the same.
So you had to do like a course to see if you pass?
Yeah, you have to do everything.
Wow.
And then you have to do the swimming. We have lifeguard license.
Okay.
Yeah.
Certified lifeguard.
Yeah.
All of us, yeah.
Wow.
If people out there are looking at the video and them want to do this, what you say to them? Like, you have any advice or?
Well, tell you the truth. I give them my number in case they can contact me, you know? Yeah, I give them the WhatsApp number. It is 782-7413. My straight call number is 464-0505. You know? Yeah, man, you can give me a call because, you know, he's a good captain. One way, you know, I know you're going to enjoy yourself. I'm going to take my time and go slow, make you enjoy it. That's it.
Randy's the best.
What you thought of today?
It was a fabulous day. I had a wonderful time. Really, really enjoyed it and highly recommend. Very relaxing.
Yeah.
Very, very relaxing.
And that's
Great food.
Also, cause my foot kind of broke. If it wasn't, it would be a little more adventurous, swimming, jumping off, and you know. 10 out of 10 experience for me. And Randy's a great captain. So if you want to use him, make sure you call up Randy.
And always request Randy.